Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Why don't you guys sit back and enjoy this video? Let's go for a ride. Okay guys, we are in the insane asylum, also known as my daughter's house. Like, comment, subscribe.
And ring the bell.
There we go. Let's make some jalapeno sauce for the turkey. No, that won't work.
Is that good? Oh my gosh.
Although I'm not really allowed to handle sharp objects, I'm going to anyways. We are going to start by cutting some jalapenos. They've been washed. They're shouldn't be too spicy, but let's get to it. Now, how I'm going to do these is I'm going to go ahead and take the seeds out because from what I understand, we got some non-spicy liking people here. So to take the seeds out, I'm going to go ahead. Now, these are going to go in the blender, so I'm going to just go ahead and open up the jalapeno like so. And then I'll just take the whatchamacallit knife. Where's the, hey babe.
What?
Do you know where the, where she put the, you know that thing with the thing in it?
What thing?
The potato peeler? Or a little spoon, something?
In the drawer,
I need something I can scoop out the goo.
Yeah. She's outside.
But, we'll get these, done. Now, if I was making this normally, I would just leave the seeds and everything. I need something to scoop this out. That would be like a little spoon or that potato peeler. I would just normally leave the seeds to make it spicier. But because I don't... No, the potato peeler. You know that one that was in there? Because it's got a curved head. But because I don't know people's spice levels here, I'm going to go ahead and take the seeds out. There we go. And we're going to do that by taking the peeler and just simply scraping. We're going to do it on a plate though. Scrape the seeds out, so we're going to end up like so. Now, if a few seeds stay, who cares if they cry? If they're a bunch of babies, they can handle it. But I don't know. A lot of people just don't like spicy. Myself personally, I say a few jalapenos and a handful of ghost peppers, and it would probably be a pretty good meal. You like spicy there?
I love spicy.
You want to eat a jalapeno?
No.
You want to eat one on camera?
No.
You sure?
I'm very camera shy.
You got something on your shirt. On your belly.
Where?
On the belly. Might be Gordo's lover. Or jalapeno. Or taco. Or taco. It's an Addie
You
thing.
guys eat Taco Bell?
Okay.
Can I have a piece of your cupcake? Cool.
That's a delicious jalapeno. But normally I'll get the jalapeno turkey jalapeno turkey flavored what do you call it? The marinade, and I'll use it as part of the base for the jalapeno. Well, I did one time. The other time I just went ahead and made strictly jalapeno, and everybody liked the jalapeno only marinade. So that's what we're going to do today. It's really simple. The recipe. Bunch of jalapenos. A little bit of love. And we're good. Now I'm also going to use this jalapeno sauce that I make right now for a dipping sauce. I'm going to make like a guacamole, jalapeno guacamole dipping sauce for potato chips. And that should be good. Now I was going to do this live, but there's really one, it got a little bit late, and really it would kind of be distracting to sit and BS with you guys while I'm doing this. So I want to just do it recorded. And also this way I can you know, edit it and shorten it up for you once I get it all recorded. Now, Melissa's over there playing on YouTube, like TikTok, Facebook. What are you doing?
I'm putting pictures of the baby.
Ah, she's putting pictures of the baby. Poor little Addie just got a face full of cake because her mom is mean. And again, I'm just slicing these in half, long ways, so they're easy to get the seeds out, because I really don't want to cook a whole turkey and then have no one be able to eat it because it's too spicy. So I'm going to de-seed these. Even though I'm not really a big believer that the seeds make it hotter. Now I could actually put these in a pan of water and boil them, and that would take a lot of the heat away from them. That does make take spice out of a jalapeno, is boiling it. That I've proven to myself, but I've made jalapeno poppers with and without the seeds, and they always kind of came out the same way. Now, if you guys don't know, I have found the prettier the skin is on the jalapeno, the less spicy it is. If you get a jalapeno that has some of the ribs in it, the brown ribbing, those generally are hotter jalapenos. Now, I can only say this from my personal experience, so if you want to tell me how wrong I am in the comments there, feel free. This is the part of the video where it's going in fast forward. You guys are going, boy, you're fast at doing that. And that's the baby choking in the background. She'll be all right.
She's yawning.
We gave her a little bit of a jalapeno to see what she would do with it. And it might have been a little too spicy for her. And just because I know I'll get a comment going, no way, that was mean, we didn't really give her a jalapeno. I mean, her mom's been sitting right there with her. So if her mom leaves the room, she's getting a jalapeno.
I was planning on giving her one anyways.
Oh, okay. Can I film it? Or would that be considered child abuse?
That's child abuse, dear.
Now, normally, guys, I use COVID. Normally, I use food handling gloves because later on tonight, when I go and give the wifey poo a little huggy poo, she's going to be burning from my fingertips.
Do you like hot stuff, Abe? Well, it's just like onions. If you were here in October when we were here, we brought, you ever see the one chip challenge?
I brought some of those, and me and Hannah did the one chip challenge. She failed. You've never done the one chip challenge, have you?
I've done the devil's toe.
The what?
Devil's toe.
Devil's toe? What's that?
Okay, so it's a sucker It's like a Mexican taco kind of, and it has like jalapeno and like ghost pepper and Carolina Reaper. Like
so it's a pretty hot little.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Okay.
And you have to hold it in your mouth and like you like lick it and stuff. And whoever holds it in their mouth for the longest wins.
They win? Okay.
It's like so spicy.
Right on. Okay, so we'll put this trash aside.
You are a mess. Oh.
This is the working blender, right?
Yep. I mean, it's kind of a cheap blender. Oh my gosh, how cute.
Yeah, I thought it was glass.
Yeah, no, it's kind of a cheap blender. But it works.
Should have sent it back.
Such cute pictures. Don't let her smile for you.
Okay, so we're going to take some of the jalapenos and throw them in the blender. Now, this blender is kind of cheap, so hopefully she blends okay. Fresh lime. I'm going to do a little bit here and see how this blender works. I don't want to pack it and then have it not blend. Okay, so it's a nice liquid. That way it'll inject. It'll inject good. That's the other thing about taking the seeds out. It makes it inject a little easier. All right, so let's go ahead and inject the turkey. Let's first make sure this tastes right. I put a little salt and pepper in there. Forgot about that, so let's do that now. Okay, and we are on to the first purchase, one or two. And one of the things I forgot to buy, so we're going to have to make do with a cookie sheet, is a platter to put the turkey on. We'll probably have to stop tomorrow and get something because... I don't know, the cookie sheet will work because they'll be standing up, boom, boom, the one, cut it, put it in the tin. Yeah, well, and we got these tin pans that we got. Where's that tin foil? Oh, right there. We'll line it with tin foil, too.
It's aluminum foil, not
aluminum foil. Excuse me.
Gordo, what are you doing? Only your camera people can see Gordo.
Yeah. His name is Gordo for a reason. Hold it. Hold it out.
Got it?
Okay, yep. All right. Now, this should help keep the puke in because we're going to make some puke here. And, you know, I've never done this without wearing gloves. So, yeah. I'm not looking forward to this. This is going to be disgusting.
The innards you can give to Gordo.
No, I didn't want to see him do that. That's disgusting and a half. That'd give him salmonella, man.
No, won't. Let him eat them.
You can't eat them.
No, just put it aside and we'll make a little goulash for him for special Thanksgiving. Huh?
Got bones in it. The turkey neck?
The bones are fine. The bones are not cooked.
Oh.
If they're cooked, they can splinter. If they're not cooked, they'll just break. And they'll chew apart. But the insides we can put aside and make like a little special turkey thing for him tomorrow.
This is just so many different ways of being wrong. Of touching this nasty, nasty turkey. Yeah.
I would get her, but she's like under that log and I don't want to scare her.
Oh shit. Watch out, Gordo. I'm going to drain the blood out of the bag here.
Don't do it. If she's going to start crying like that, put her in a room.
Okay, and there it is. What is this thing?
That pops up when it's ready.
Not in a deep fryer, it ain't gonna pop up. In a deep fryer, that bad boy's gonna melt off. Alright, it looks like they got zip ties holding the legs together on this newer turkey. We got to get all of that out of there because that will melt. Yeah, I've never seen a turkey with this plastic in it before. Okay, I don't know what the deal is with that, but now you got to reach in here and grab the turkey penis. This turkey was well endowed. Oh my God, there's a snake. Nope. Nope.
She won't hurt you.
You know why she won't hurt me?
She's not near you?
Because she won't get near me. Okay. So,
I didn't mean to say that to her anything. I forgot.
the whatchamacallit's all ready to be injected. Alright, so this is totally disgusting on my hands. Oh, do you have a little cup, coffee cup or something like that? Totally disgusting on my hands. And yeah, that's fine. I just need to put the sauce in. And as you guys can tell, if you haven't noticed yet, I'm not a chef. I just play one on TV. I just play one on YouTube. All right, how about that needle into your eye? I'm going to do a quick check, make sure we're still recording. And we're still getting the shot. All right, guys, so what I like to do is pour some of it into another container. Not all of it though, because I don't want to contaminate this with turkey goo in that container, because if there's too much, I'm going to make an avocado jalapeno sauce tomorrow to dip in chips. So we're going to go ahead and suck this up, as you can see, and hopefully there's no seeds and whatnots that are going to get in here and plug the needle up, because that happens sometimes. And if it does happen, like I think we just got one, that's all right. You just stop. You just stop, give it a little squirt, and then, as you can see, now she's sucking it all up. And there is our concoction. So we're going to go ahead and stab this bird in a few spots. One of the things I like to do is I try not to make too many holes. So I'll stick the needle in, give it a little bit of injection, pull it up a little bit more, You can see the skin starting to bow. And then in that same hole, I'll go in a different direction. You can see it swelling up. Stay in that same hole.
She's scared.
Who's scared?
The snake?
Yeah, of course she's scared. I'd be scared too. Big old monster hanging on to me. It's like, why are you holding me?
I think she's scared of you.
Me?
Yeah.
She don't need to be scared of me. I'm more scared of her than she is of me. So, yeah, we apparently have some seedage going on here because I keep getting a clog. So all you do is when that happens, just push on the plunger, squirt it back out, and then suck it back in. All right, I'm going to go into the other side here. Pull it up. And I'm going to go this way. See that? See that pimple it just gave it? That got right under the skin. I'm going to go this way. This way. And I got a ginormous dog laying at my feet waiting for me to drop some jalapeno juice for him. What he doesn't know is he probably won't like that.
Oh, freaking creepy.
Yeah. It's not creepy.
His eyes. Yeah, I should put back on. This one's quieter.
And we'll just work our way down.
Add it with me. I'll take her.
See her growing right there?
Mama said there'd be days like this. Mama said there'd be days like this. There'd be plenty days like this.
Yeah, we got a blockage in our needle.
She's rich.
Yeah, I guess I didn't get all the seeds out like I thought. So what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and we'll suck it back up. Get it back in that hole. That way. And just like before, suck it in. Suck it in. Okay, that seed is stuck. See how it won't pull? So we'll probably have to unplug that. Okay, we got it. That's little Addie back there letting Mama know that she wants some attention to be paid to her. Alright, so we were in this hole when we had the mishap. So we're going to go back in, give it a little that way, give it a little that way. I like to see her pump up like that. Okay. Okay.
Oh, look at you.
Now, this whole side of this turkey is bulged out compared to this side. It's Addie in a box.
You like that box, huh?
He's still in the box. That's so funny.
Okay, and this is just for a photo opportunity. Smearing what was left of that on there is absolutely doing nothing but making a photo op. So let's go ahead and... Alright guys, that's how I inject my turkey with my homemade jalapeno sauce. Again, I had to improvise on a little bit of stuff because I didn't have exactly what I needed, but it should come out just fine. And yeah, hope it was fun. It was fun for me.